Hello everyone, I'm Eric Higham, technical editor with Microwave Journal, and I'm here with Sean from Qorvo. And it's been a year since we were last together for IMS.
Yes.
And can you tell us some of the things that you've been doing on the base station side in that time?
Yeah, certainly on the base station side, what we've been focused on at Qorvo is development of some gallium nitride power amplifier modules, or PAMs, where we're including the driver plus the Doherty final stage, all within a much smaller form factor package that we're working on various bands for 5G deployments around the world. At the show here today and last week, we had a press release around our QPD 3810, which is an 8-watt, 3.4 to 3.8 gigahertz PAM. What's special about this one, and a bit of a differentiator, is this includes an integrated BIOS controller, so that we can be adjusting the current to the device as the temperature of the device fluctuates under operation, so we're always at optimal conditions. So it's, a lot of our product development efforts have gone into these type of products over the last year since the last IMS, and we're excited to bring them to market.
Yeah, good. And so that's sort of a different level of integration for Qorvo. Clearly you're responding to what you've seen in the market as a need.
Yes.
Can you talk a little bit more about that? What are customers asking you?
So what we're seeing is there's a bit of a branch in the road where some customers are comfortable with their existing solution for the BIOS control outside of the PAM module. So we have products that we're developing that do not include the controller and those that do. And it's roughly a 50-50 split in between customers whether or not they want to integrate the controller. So in that instance, it's always best to provide both solutions and let the customers work their way through what works best for them, and try to guide as much as we can. But that increasing integration is definitely something that we're seeing across the market. Really, if we look at how previous generations were done with the discrete components, those took up a lot more board space. And as we start getting into more complex radio designs that are going out there, really shrinking the footprint on the board is of key interest to our customers, and is really what has driven the PAM approach. And at Qorvo, of course, we have a lot of integration capabilities available to us that we're able to leverage in these products that we're developing.
Yeah, good, thank you. And so 5G is deploying now in good quantity, so I assume that you're seeing a lot of good traction and a lot of good customer acceptance?
Yes, we're seeing some pretty good traction across multiple markets. Obviously, as different areas of the world deploy, the bands are going to move around a little bit in terms of what frequency ranges we're looking at. And we're developing, of course, in all of the key bands for 5G, throughout the world to be able to support those.
Thanks for that great insight, Sean.
Sure.
And thanks for joining us. This is Eric Higham, a technical editor with Microwave Journal from IMS 2023, and thanks for watching.